mai. Hi, my name is Payge.
And Mōrātaro Winton School, I'm Georgia. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rā'apa, the 26th of November.
One more sleep until Winton's Got Talent.
Get into the hall for the big show tomorrow night at 6:30. See you there.
Hi VIZ Vest. Kia ora to students wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And a reminder this term, you must wear your sunhats at playtimes and lunchtimes. Thank you.
And a quick note about returning sports gear to the trolleys at the end of lunchtime and playtime. Thanks.
Te Kupu o te Wiki. This week's word is Paremata, which is te reo for parliament.
Paremata. Kia ora.
Senior Kapa Haka students, you have a lunchtime get together in the library at 12:40. Kia ora.
And that means, the library will be closed at lunchtime today.
Health and safety news. We still need ice packs returned to the office. Thank you.
Motocross news. World champion Ben Townley is visiting us today at 12 o'clock.
He'll be on the tennis court with some bike giver talk and maybe answer a few questions. See you there.
Last news for the day. There's 4 birthdays at Winton School today.
Happy birthday to Cody here, turning 8, and Jack Keith, turning 7. Happy birthday, gentlemen.
And happy birthday also to me. I'm turning 11.
And Corey Ross Keneally, turning 12.
Happy birthday, Corey.
Happy birthday, Paige.
Okay, thanks for tuning in from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite a popo.
Haere rā, Winton School.